Hello. So today what we're going to do is look at adding nicknames to Follett Destiny's library management system. This is a pretty easy process, and you might want to do this for students who would prefer to go by a different name that's what's on their birth certificate. Maybe they just want to go by a shortened name, or maybe they prefer to go by a name that is completely different. So what we're going to do is I prefer to go by Mike. And so we're going to edit my record and edit my nickname. So just type in the person that you're looking to find. There I am. Click on the name. And we're going to edit the patron. So edit patron. And then all you have to do is add in the nickname field. So I'm going to put in Mike. Click save. And then when you go to look at that person's record, the nickname will be in parentheses. This can maybe help you maybe call the student or the patron the name that they would prefer to go by. So that's how you add nicknames.